Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8 Pro and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's switch to the video one. So tap on the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the second position from the right, we've got the resolution. So let's tap on it, and we've got three different options available in this device. So 720p, 1080p, which is currently applied, you can see it because it is highlighted, and 4K. So all we have to do is to tap on the option we'd like to use. I'll choose 4K, and as you can see, the icon changed slightly, so it means that the option has been applied, and obviously from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.